If you're looking for remote control ceiling lights, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 remote control ceiling lights. Number 1, most popular, by W-LITE. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Elecwish. Number 3, by Fulcrum. For more details about this great ceiling lights, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, by W-LITE. Find these remote control ceiling lights at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6, by Yescom. Number 7, by Fulcrum. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Unitary. Number 9, by Fulcrum. Discover more remote control ceiling lights ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Sunsbo.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.